Merchai's print on demand review. Today we'll discuss about the pros, cons, pricing and features of Merchais. Here is my honest opinion. Merchai stands out as a print on demand company offering quality products at a competitive price point. Pros of Merchais. Merchais offers affordable pricing across various product categories such as clothing, accessories and home and amp living. With over 150 custom products, Merchais provides a diverse range of items, allowing sellers to offer a variety of options to their customers. Merchais boasts a production time of 2 to 4 days, ensuring quick order fulfillment. Shipping times are also expedited, taking only 5 to 10 days for international orders. Merchais enables users to create their online store easily, upload custom products, and manage orders efficiently through integration with popular e-commerce platforms. Convenient payment options, including PayPal and credit cards, make transactions seamless for both sellers and buyers. Cons of Merchais. While international shipping is available, Merchais primarily focuses on the United States, potentially limiting market reach for sellers targeting other regions. The platform's website is available only in English, which might pose a challenge for users who prefer other languages. Pricing of Merch clothing $5.70, $32.49 accessories, $2.75, $1.23 home and amp living, $2.50, $22.50. Shipping costs already included in the base cost of print-on-demand products. Custom branding. Product prices are reasonable for those looking to establish their own brand. Subscription fees, free. Features of Merchais. Users can customize over 150 products across different categories. Merchais streamlines the order fulfillment process, automatically syncing orders with various e-commerce platforms. Compatible with Google Shopping, Shopify, WooCommerce, and eBay, making it versatile for users on different platforms. Merchais maintains high-quality printing standards, ensuring that branded print-on-demand products meet customer expectations. Offers a 20% discount for sample orders, allowing users to assess product quality before full-scale production. In conclusion, Merchais presents a compelling option for individuals seeking a reliable and cost-effective print-on-demand solution, particularly for those targeting the US market.